Your iPhone Air is the strongest iPhone ever built, even though it's crazy thin. But still, you can never go wrong with screen protectors. So let me show you how to apply screen protectors on your iPhone Air without leaving any bubbles, and some tips and tricks so that you can nail it in the first try. So begin by washing your hands and make sure you haven't applied any lotion or moisturizer. Now put your iPhone Air on a dust-free surface, and first you'll need to wipe all the dust and smudges that you see on the screen. Just use the included cleaning pads, or you can also use your own, and wipe it in circular motions until you cover the whole screen. After that, clean it using the dry cloth or any clean microfiber towel. Make sure there's no speck of dust, and if you put the cleaning wipes on a dirty surface, don't use it again to wipe the dust. When the screen is clean, it's best to open a bright screen and turn up your brightness so that you can see all the edges of your iPhone screen. This will help us aligning the screen protector. So now that we're ready, let's unpeel the screen protector's foil and start by putting it on from the top. Make sure nothing is sticking out, then hold it in place with two of your fingers. Then view it from the top so that you know if it's perfectly aligned on both the left and right side, and also the bottom. When you have aligned them perfectly, push down on the screen protector from the top and you'll be able to see it getting attached to the screen. So make your finger move like a wiper and slowly make your way to the bottom, while you're still holding the bottom two corners with your other hand. Keep wiping while applying pressure, and while you're almost at the bottom, now slowly make your way down and keep checking whether the alignment is correct or not. If it's not, you can just slightly lift it and realign it. When you're almost at the bottom, you can let go of the corners and quickly push out all the air. There you go, the screen protector is now in place. But you're not done yet. Turn off the screen, put reflection on it, and check for any bubbles. There may be a couple bubbles left, which is totally normal, just don't freak out. But let me show you how you can fix this. Just apply a generous amount of pressure on it, and keep moving your fingertip around it so that it gets blended between the glass panels. You may need to apply a bit more pressure and simply keep doing it, and you can also try pushing in different directions. And as you can see here, after doing it for a few minutes, these small bubbles are gone. Now just wipe the screen clean once again, and voila! Now your iPhone Air screen is protected from accidental scratches and cracks. Let me know if this guide was able to help you, and good luck!